Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks. I don't know when Corel took it out of the later versions, but when you right click, it will give you a menu, and it used to have right up here, it used to have edit text. Well, they've taken it away. So whatever you're clicked on, if I click on a rectangle or right click, it gives me everything I could do with a rectangle. I could convert it to curves, and to me, it just saves time instead of going to object and convert it to a curve or control Q. So let's add that back. So what we're going to do is going to go to Tools, Options, Customization. And I must have hit something. And then go to Command Bars and then check Context Menu Bar. And you get this right here. Then go to Commands, go to Text. You don't have to be on text to find it. But if you go to text, it'll be in this category. And go down to Edit Text. And we're just going to grab it. See the plus sign, and we're going to go to here. Then we're going to go down to the Artistic Text section. Come on. And then I'm going to try to put it, see that gray bar? So there it is. And then say OK. And then, of course, if you do it right. So now when we right click, there's our edit text just by right clicking. So you're here, you moved it, you right click, you got the edit text. It doesn't save that much time, but if you do other things, it's pretty handy. And then, of course, I would go up to Tools, Options, and Save as default, and make sure everything's checked. And then that way, every time you turn on Corel, you get that item. So right-click your mouse, edit text right there. Basically, we're just putting it back from, I don't know, Corel thought they had too many things in there, because they've got, I left click that time, right click, they've got convert to paragraph text, convert to curves, spell check. That's important, but I mean, you're going to edit text more often, and it's still Control-Shift-T. You could bring that up, but that's a 3-button deal where you could just go right here. Because see, that's going to go away when you click off the text. That edit text is on. You could still use that and it comes up, but now you can right click and edit text. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.